Yeah, this is a Batt job, and I just wanted to show you something. These are 430 batts put into a 900 bay, and they're the right size bat for the bay, and that's tucked all the way out to the edge there. You can see that. Right, but if we come back here, you can see one bat's just curved up a little bit. Right, it's tucked in, right, and it's done as good as every installer would do it. But with this little curve up here, there's actually an air cavity under there, right? So I don't know whether you can see that, and that'll go right through the length of the bat to that edge, and so then hot air can run straight underneath your bat. And that's part of the reason why bats aren't as good as the cellulose, the pumping insulation, is because it is very, very difficult to have them sit flat on the ceiling, even if you put them in the bay now properly. And that bat there should be cut a bit shorter, so I'm going to tidy it up and cut it a bit shorter, but that's how it would be installed by 99% of installers out there. So anyway, that's part of the reason why bats, even though they've got the same R value as the cellulose fibre, they probably don't perform as well.